founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club, a private limited company registered in Pakistan. The headquarter of club is based in USA. Today we are here at Lahore Expo Center. Mera Brand Pakistan Expo is being organized here. Mr. Umar from American Cuisine is with us. I request Mr. Umar, please share with us about your brand, about your product range.
Yeah, this is American Cuisine Pakistan. Some people confuse it that it's an American brand, but we do a lot of export. Our major business is to do export. So that is why we've given the name American Cuisine. We have been doing business for 25 years. This is the most sold product, and this is the this is the most selling chocolate spread of Pakistan. Our competitors ask us what's so different about it. We have recently launched a new recipe for Choctella. This is now also our customers ask us. We also have a Hazeltella, a Milk-tella, and a Choctella spread. So they ask us what's the different, but it's the same thing. We say that it's completely different. Choctella is a chocolate spread which we use pure chocolate, imported chocolate we use for Choctella, and for Hazeltella we use hazelnuts imported from Switzerland, and also we use for Milk-tella we use that's the only concept of Pakistan that we do, is that a mixture of milk spread and chocolate spread. And also our latest product is the Lotus Bisbon spread, which is I believe the only Lotus spread of Pakistan, and it is a new recipe and a very new concept in Pakistan. We have got many orders from large stores like Al Fateh, Imtiaz, etc., and also the most expensive store of Pakistan, which is Shams Supermarket, which is located in Islamabad. The owner is going crazy about Bisbon Lotus spread. Next up, we have the peanut butter range. This is our B&B peanut butter. We also have another flavor. If you could see here, there are chunks of chocolate beans in it, which gives a new flavor, and it is a new concept which has been never seen in Pakistan, I believe. And then is our creamy and crunchy peanut butter. We took inspiration from Jif peanut butter. This is a peanut butter, and we get our peanut butter imported. We don't get it from here. That it's better quality, and this is a smooth peanut butter spread. This takes multiple days to make it this consistency, that it doesn't sticks in your mouth, because the issue of peanut butter is that it sticks to your throat. That is the main issue of it. Next is our crunchy peanut butter, in which we have added peanut butter chunks. This is made a bit. It's made in it's less days, because we don't make the mixture as smooth as on purpose to give it some texture, so that the customer can enjoy the fully immense of peanut butter, and when the crunch happens, it intensifies the flavor. This is our major products. We also do dipstick of Strawbella and Choctella, which is the chocolate bread dipstick, which are only a few in Pakistan. Especially, I haven't seen that many brands of strawberry dipping dipstick. And also, if you could see here, this is our own range of. This is the same thing that is used to make this peanut lotus spread. This is the only lotus biscuit of Pakistan. No one else makes lotus biscuits in Pakistan. This is the best lotus biscuit in my opinion, and we have the figures to prove it as well. This is the only biscuit of Pakistan, and it is extremely healthy rather than normal biscuits, and it is made from a new recipe as well. If you look here, this is our, as I was talking about it, this is our Milk-tella spread. This is if you could see from here, it is a mixture of milk and chocolate spread. You can say that you get more for your buck. That is saying here. So these are mostly our range, and especially I would recommend that you buy this, because it is a new experience not seen in Pakistan. Lotus Biscoff does sell their biscuits, but that's mostly imported and very low in quantity. If you would like to buy any of these products, you can visit American Cuisine at Mera Brand Pakistan. Mera Bread Pakistan, or you could find any of these in leading stores of Pakistan. For example, Al Fateh, Imtiaz, and many more like Rainbow Cash and Carry as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Umar. You people are doing an excellent job.
Thank you.
I must appreciate it, your efforts. You are supporting not only the business community but the public as well.
Like our vision is that most of these products, like the lotus spread, it is not available to the Pakistani consumer market. So our aim is that Pakistanis enjoy the same level of products that are imported, but at a more affordable price due to the lower income levels in Pakistan. I would really appreciate that if you try this, and this will change the way you eat breakfast. It is a very good breakfast item, and most of our product is very high quality, much more high quality than our competitors. And people ask us, people complain about the high price, but we say that you are getting more better quality products. You cannot get these quality of products at this type of rate.
Wonderful. Mr. Umar, Global CEO Club, as I mentioned, everywhere in the world. I invite you people to join hands with Global CEO Club so that international business growth can be sought. As you are already exporting these products from Pakistan to other countries,
Yes.
Global CEO Club is available in every country of the world.
Oh wow.
So join hands with Global CEO Club. Global CEO Club has multiple business segments, like from time to time organizing its own expos through its partners. Like
That's very nice.
one of the expo we are going to organize in France. Next one is Poland. Next one we are going to organize a global business summit in Bulgaria.
Yeah, we also do. This is not our first stall. We do stalls and exhibitions, very large exhibitions such as Gulf Food and ISM. We do stalls, and TDAB asks us every year. TDAB is you might know that TDAB is the organization that gets the stalls, and TDAB asks us every year that we should do a stall, but we've stopped doing it nowadays because we have some fixed customers. We will do it in the future. If you move your camera here, I would like to show one product. This is our sub-brand Royal Treats, in which we do gifting. This is the only gluten-free brand of Pakistan.
Yeah, Mr. Umar, this is sufficient, and you people are doing excellent job. And I invite you people to join hands with
Sure,
Global CEO
inshallah.
Club. Multiple business segments are waiting for you to grow your businesses all over the world.
Inshallah.
So thank you so much. Have a wonderful time.
Thank you.
Have a nice time.
Thank you.
Thank you.